Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the versatile ClosetMaid 3-Cube Bench Home Organizer in a sleek white and tan finish. This storage bench features a comfortable tan polyester cushion that securely attaches to the top shelf, providing a cozy seating option. With 3 separate cubby cubes, it offers ample space to organize shoes, bins, toys, and more, making it a perfect addition to any room. The cube openings are designed to be compatible with ClosetMaid Cubeicals fabric drawers, which are sold separately, and each cube measures 11.25 inches in height and width, with a depth of 11.75 inches. Constructed from durable laminate wood, this bench is easy to assemble with all hardware included, ensuring a hassle-free setup. It measures 18.5 inches in height, 35.27 inches in width, and 14.014 inches in depth, making it a compact yet functional piece of furniture. Plus, it's TSCA Title V compliant, ensuring it meets the highest standards for safety and quality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.